It's a 1988 Saab 900. Looks like it's in fairly decent condition. That shifter looks like it was, shifter's not even connected. Oh, guess that's not even connected, but steering wheel looks like it's in decent, looks like someone tried to grab the dash out and didn't do a very good job, or something happened there. But a little Clarion CD changer. This isn't the right one, is it? I wonder if I need that. But this came with the, they come with those rotating seat belts. It sure did. So you can see this, when you open the door, this would rotate out, and then you would put your lap belt on at the time. So this was considered the best safety features of the time.